Okay, let's plan this Japanese house.
Right. I'll lead the structural design.
Oops, eraser end first.
No, the tip, like this.
Ugh, come on, lift!
Faster, this is fun! Hey, give that back, you little thief!
Ha ha ha! Too slow! Look at my upside down house.
Meow? It's all wrong. Yeah, what's that deer doing?
Just enjoying the view.
We did it! The house is complete! High five, partner! It's so beautiful by the lake. The perfect home.